And good morning, Math Masters of Virtual Room 502. Welcome to Eureka Math in the Morning with Mr. Leggett and friends. Let's see what we got going on here. Before we start our lessons, lessons. Let's see what's what. We're on lesson 12 already. Problem set. It is grade 4 and module 5. So that's what's going on. And if that's not enough to get you where you need to go, well, we'll just look down here and we'll see that it is page number 151. So today's date is 03/23/2021, and we're on page number 151. Okay. So there we have it. We can get started. Go and pause the tape if you need to get out your problem set and get to the right page, which is page 151. That's module 5. So it says plot the following points on the number line without measuring. Okay, so we're going to measure a little bit anyways because I thought I would share this lesson with you a different way. Okay, we got a Hershey's chocolate bar right here. Plain old, good old Pennsylvania Hershey's chocolate bar. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there's 12 little pieces there. Can't see them too well, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What if we were to split this bar in half? What would we get? Let's take a look. Hopefully I can do this right. Hey, look at that. Perfect. Okay, I've split the Hershey's chocolate bar in half. All right, remember 12 little cubes? Well, how much is 1/2 now? I'll leave it like that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say I already eat that. How much of the bar had I eaten? I ate 1/2, but also we could say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 12. So 6/12. Okay. So we're going to rename, and I'll show you why in just a moment. We're going to name 1/2 up here as 6/12. Now we can start working with this a little better. For example, let's take a look at 7/12, right? If I ate 6/12 of the candy bar, 1/2, but then I had 7 little cubes, would I have eaten more? Yeah, I would have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one over here, 7. So 7/12 would be 1 unit more than 6/12. So we can put 7/12 here. All right. Now let's look at our other numbers that we have here. We have one that is 5/6. Okay. Well, how can we do 5/6 with a candy bar? Okay, think about this totaling as 7/12. What if we were just to take a look at it as, I'm trying to think of a good way to show this. Maybe I'll show this with a diagram, a picture, okay? Just to make it a little easier. Or maybe not. I'm thinking. No, let's go with a picture. Even though it's not a picture. So we have 5/6. Let's go back to that same candy bar. And you don't need to write this. We're working up here. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4. We had 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So 12 units. But remember when we were dividing to make larger fractional units? So let's say I were to take this. Let's just go ahead and shade in. What do we got going here? 5/6. Okay, we want to get to 5/6 using division. And let's actually, boy, I'm not doing too good of a job on this lesson. Let's multiply. I'm so sorry. We're going to multiply 5/6. And we're going to get 2 something 12ths, okay? Because we have these 12 pieces up here. So let's go ahead and multiply. We have 5/6. And what should we multiply to get to 12? Well, 6 times 2 is 12. So we'll have our fancy form of 1. 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so now we could see that 5/6 is equal to 10/12. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's when I had 7/12 of the candy bar. 8, 9, 10. So is 5/6 larger than 7/12? Yes. Remember? 7/12 right here, 8, 9, 10/12. So we would put that up here, closer to 1. Maybe that's a little too close, but we'll call it 10/12. Okay. And now we have one other fraction to work with, and that's 1/3. Okay. So how are we going to deal with 1/3? We could use multiplication again. Excuse me. And we can take 1/3, and we need to get it to a 12th, to that unit. So what am I going to multiply by? All right, let's figure this out. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, right? So I have to multiply the 1 by the same amount, our fancy form of 1. 3 times 4 is 12, 1 times 4 is 4. We get 4/12. Definitely less than 6/12, right? When we think about our candy bar, 4/12 would only be 4 of those pieces, right? So 4/12 would definitely be on this side. All righty, so let's go ahead and enter the number line in part A to compare the fractions by writing greater than, less than, or equal to. So 7/12 and 1/2. We prove that 7/12 is greater than 1/2, or 6/12. So any alligator, I shouldn't say that, that's like little kid stuff, is greater than 1/12. And then we can see that 7/12 compared to 5/6. Remember 5/6 calculated to 10/12. So 5/6 is greater than 7/12. All righty. We're going to take a little break there so I can eat the chocolate bar. No, just so you can kind of refresh your mind. Go ahead and get a drink of water. Tell mom and dad you love them. Feed the dog. Pet the cat. Do some jumping jacks, but come back quickly. It's not a big break. It's like 2 minutes. And then come on back. While I wait for the Screencastify to come on and say it is